All right, welcome back, Sous Vide fans. And if you've ever tried to cook, especially vegetables or some meats in the water, it wants to float up. Well, there is a pro tip to help you with this and help weigh it down when you put it in. They do make beads or plates, things that you can put inside your bags to actually weigh it down. But instead of spending any money, I grab a couple spoons. I literally just drop them in the bottom, seal it up. Well, start sealing it. I may need some more in this case for this corn. Use the immersion method, seal it up. Yeah, I'm probably going to put in a couple more spoons to weigh this down. But you may ask, why don't I use a knife? Well, it's a really, really simple thing that the knives, this has got butter on it, don't be freaked out, is too wide for my pot. So I put a couple of spoons in it. It helps weigh everything down. Take it out when you dump out the juice. Just be careful, those spoons are going to be hot. But that's an easy way to help weigh down your stuff if you keep seeing it float up.